Having trouble with your Optus NBN connection? Often, a simple modem reset can resolve common issues like slow speeds or internet dropouts. There are two main types of resets: soft and hard. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It reboots the modem without erasing any of your settings. For some Huawei models, you can also use the web interface by going to 192.168.1.1 in your browser and selecting System, then Reboot. This clears the modem's cache and refreshes its connection. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, wipes all custom configurations and restores the modem to its original settings. This is useful for more persistent problems, but remember, it will require you to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and any custom admin settings. Alternatively, you can access the modem's web portal, usually at 192.168.1.1, navigate to Maintenance, then Reset, and confirm. After a hard reset, the default username and password will be admin, case sensitive, so be sure to change this immediately for security. The internet light on your Optus NBN modem indicates connection status. A blue or green light means everything is working normally. If the light is red or off, there's likely a connection issue. Check all cables first, especially the fiber cable. Double-check that all cables, particularly the fiber cable, are securely plugged in. Next, try a soft reset by powering off the modem for 30 seconds and reconnecting. If the internet light remains red or off after a soft reset, contact Optus support for line testing. It could be an NBN infrastructure issue. Persistent issues can sometimes be resolved via the admin login. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Default username and password are both admin. Once logged in, you can monitor signal strength, update firmware, and troubleshoot various settings. Optus recommends enabling WPA3 encryption for better security after any reset. If experiencing widespread NBN outages, such as those from fiber cable damage, check Optus resources for tailored solutions.